Most boxers panic when a punch comes flying at their face. They cover up, freeze, or swing wild. But here's the truth. You don't need 20 different defensive tricks. You only need three. Three moves that work no matter your size, speed, or strength. Master these, and you'll stop punches before they stop you. Boxing defense isn't about memorizing endless drills. It's about having a small, powerful toolkit you can rely on under pressure. Beginners often try to copy everything pros do. Shoulder rolls, Philly shell, fancy slips. But under pressure, you won't remember half of it. Simplicity saves you. That's why today, we're focusing on the only three moves you'll ever need. And once you see them, you'll realize you've been overcomplicating defense this whole time. Move 1. The slip. Quick tilt of the head outside the punch. Dodges jabs and straights with almost no energy. Add a counter right hand, now you're punishing their mistakes. Move 2. The parry. Small redirection with your lead hand. Saves energy, keeps your stance stable, and opens the door for sharp counters. Think of it as boxing's cheat code. Move 3. The pivot. Step and turn off the line. Turns their offense into your angle. Suddenly, they're punching where you were, not where you are. There's no better feeling than making someone punch the air so hard they look like they're fighting a Wi-Fi signal. Why these three work for everyone? They're simple, they're fast, and they work against every style. Aggressive brawlers, tall, rangy boxers, counterpunchers. Once you've drilled them, they become muscle memory. So under pressure, they just happen. Action step for the next 7 days. After every punch combo in your shadowboxing, finish with one of these defensive moves. Track how natural it starts to feel. And then imagine how much easier sparring will be when your body reacts without you thinking. Comment which move you're drilling first, slip, parry, or pivot. Subscribe for the next video where we'll break down how to turn defense instantly into offense.